I have a Cub Cadet SC 500 Easy 21 inches self-propelled mower. I have used it several times this year with no problems, but now it won't start. I have my battery charging, but it won't start by pulling the rope either. Have replaced the spark plug and it has good gas in it.
Hello and thank you for choosing JustAnswer. My name is, and I will do my very best to get you the answer you need to your question. If you have some carburetor cleaner, or some starting fluid, spray a small burst directly into your carburetor, to see if your engine will start up briefly. We can continue from here. Thanks.
Sprayed starting fluid into carburetor and still did not try to start. It acts like it is not getting any spark to the spark plug. Pulled spark plug wire and held it close to the plug and tried to start the mower. There was no spark.
Thanks for this information. There is a bail on your handles that you pull back when you are ready to start your mower. This bail has a cable attached to it that controls your flywheel brake and your kill switch circuit. If your cable has stretched and is preventing your kill circuit from fully opening, this will prevent spark from getting to your spark plug. After you pull back on your bail, check to see if the part that your cable is attached to will move back farther if you use your hand.
Check that and there is no further movement. This mower has only been used 8 to 10 times. I bought it the end of last summer. I have used it 3 times so far this year, but now it won't start.
I can tell you how to check for spark. You will need to remove your spark plug, then reattach your spark plug wire to it. Ground the opposite end of your spark plug to your engine block. Pull your rope and watch for a spark. Be careful when doing this. Please take a look at the image in the link below. This shows how to check for spark and how to position your spark plug. Image, click here.
I checked for spark as indicated in the image and there is definitely no spark.
You may have a faulty ignition coil, although your mower has little use. If you remove your engine cover to gain access to your ignition coil, you will see a single small wire attached to it. This is your kill switch wire. Remove this wire from your ignition coil and check for spark again. If you still do not get a spark, then your ignition coil is at fault.
I removed the kill switch wire and tried again. This time I did get a spark. Not much of one, but I did get one.
This means that your ignition coil is likely okay. I still believe your cable is not fully opening your kill switch. What is the make and the model numbers for your engine?
It is a Briggs & Stratton 159cc. Can't find the make and model number of the engine. I can't find any ID tags anywhere on the engine. The model number of the mower is 12X6S6010 and it is a Cub Cadet SC 500 Easy.
Click here to see if this will help you with locating the model numbers for your engine.
Okay. You won't believe this because I can't. But I went out this morning and put the kill switch wire back on, put the spark plug back in and connected the plug wire, then put the flywheel shroud back on and pulled the starting rope. Started up with the first pull. I can't explain it.
Wow. Very good. I am glad your engine started up for you. Will your engine continue to run? I can think of 2 possibilities for this startup this morning. If your carburetor was partially flooded on yesterday, or you may have a wire that was shorted, that moved as you were removing your flywheel cover. I do hope all continues to go well for you.
Okay, I went out this morning and mowed the front yard. When I started the mower, I used the start button and it started immediately. I mowed the front yard and then shut it off to weed eat. I then was going to mow the backyard and the mower would not start. There was no response when I pushed the start button and nothing when I pulled the starting rope. To me, it acts like an electrical problem, but I'm not sure what kind of electrical problem it is.
Do you have an inline spark tester, or a friend you can borrow one from? We need to confirm whether or not you are getting spark to your spark plug.
I don't have a spark tester. I tried to find one Saturday but couldn't. I live in a really small town. We have a Walmart and Tractor Supply and not much else. The only numbers that I can find on the engine anywhere are as follows: 6x65 Route E24 x 97/68 SA 2002 88 x 0151 x 00. This is stamped on the back of the engine underneath the fuel tank. On the starter was a decal with this number, 6x65 Rue/13122 3A0512. I know what the Briggs and Stratton numbers look like, but there aren't any on this engine like that.
I will snap a picture for you. It will not take very long. I will attach it for you. Here is a picture of the area of your engine I was referring to. Remove the kill wire from your ignition coil again, and try starting your engine. Let in number 39, see if your engine will continue to run. If so, then you have a wire shorting out somewhere.
If you have a home improvement or appliance question and want to chat with an expert now, visit justanswer.com/YTHI.